Alright, so for number 3, this says Gerard was reading a book with 40 pages. He read 10 pages in an hour. What fraction of the book did he read in an hour? Okay, so if he read 10 pages in an hour, and there's 40 pages altogether. So I can't just think about this 10 pages by itself. I have to think about it with this 10 pages related to 40. Watch, I'm going to show you a really cool trick. Okay, would you guys agree with me and just show me in sign language if I said he read 10 out of 40 pages in an hour? Would you guys agree with that? Does that make sense to you guys? Because it says right here, he was reading a book with 40 pages, he read 10 in an hour. Would you agree that he read 10 out of 40 in an hour? Okay, I'm seeing a lot of yeses. That's really good. Okay, he did read 10 out of 40 in an hour. Alright, now watch. Watch what we can do. If you know this, I'm going to show you a really cool zeros trick. Okay, because you guys already know a lot of zeros tricks. If you have this, you can cross off zeros to get fractions. But you have to cross off the same number on the top and the same number on the bottom. So, there's 1 on the top, there's 1 on the bottom. So that's going to equal 1 out of 4. Okay, so you may have said he read 10 out of 40 in an hour. That would be correct. Okay? If you said 10 out of 40, that would be correct. If you crossed out your zeros, and you said he read 1 out of 4 pages in an hour, that would also be correct. Okay? So there are a few other answers that would be correct, but these are the two that I think most of you would probably have. Are there any questions? Okay, we're going to move on to the next one. Number 4. Melissa was reading a book with 50 pages. She read 10 pages in an hour. What fraction of the book did she read in an hour? This one looks familiar, doesn't it? Okay, show me which number is going to go on the bottom with your hands. Okay, good. So I'm seeing 2 numbers. One of the numbers I'm seeing is 50. Alright, so we'll start with that one. And show me which number is going to be on the top if this number is 50. Okay, it's going to be 10. Very good. Very, very good. So we got 10 out of 50. Now, if we use that zeros trick, who can tell me what number is going to be on the bottom? On the bottom. 5. Excellent. Okay, because all we got to do, 10 out of 50, cross off the zeros. And on the top, it's going to be 1. Okay? Now, are there any questions? Alright, we're going to move on. Number 5 says, draw 15 small circles. Circle 3/5 of them, or 3 out of 5 of them. Okay, watch this, guys. So you're going to draw 15 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to just put them in groups of 5 because that'll be easier for me to show you. Okay, 5, 10. I know I need 5 more. 15. Okay, we've got 15. Now, I have to circle 3 out of 5 of them. So that, if I do this, I did circle 3 out of this 5, but I didn't circle these yet. So I have to circle 3 out of every 5 of them. Okay, it's got to be 3 out of every 5. Alright, so if I asked you how many circles did I circle, what would you show me with your fingers? Okay, I should see 9 fingers sticking up in the air. Okay. It does say 3 out of 5, but it means every 5. So this is a group of 5, and this is a group of 5, and this is a group of 5. So you got to circle 5 of all of them, 5 of each, 3 of each of them, 3 of each group. All right, the next one. Draw 12 small circles. Put an X through 3/4 of them, or through 3 out of 4 of them. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put it right into groups of 4 for myself. That'll be much easier. Now I have 4, 8, 12. Okay, put an X through 3 out of 4 of them. Watch, I can't just go there. I put an X through 3 of them. Okay, I did put an X through 3 out of 4 of that group, but altogether this is just an X of 3 out of X's in 3 out of 12. So I have to have every group of 4. I have to put an X through 3 of them. Okay, so if I asked you to show me with your fingers, how many X's did I put altogether? Okay, how many x's are up there all together? Okay, I should see 9. There should be 9 x's here and 9 x's here. Are there any questions?